Hello, hi everyone. This is a kind of a POC that I've created around using OpenAI's GPT-4 LLM, Python. It's built in the Flask framework and also a library called PyPDF2. So if you see, I'm going to go ahead and run this application. Here is the Scrum guide. The objective is to kind of extract information using a prompt that the user can add like a question, and it'll provide you answers from the Scrum, just similar to what the Chat GPT does. But this GPT will be focusing only on getting information from this PDF alone. So let's run the application. So I can go ahead and now ask questions to this GPT. So if I go and ask who is product owner, and then submit, and then I get the definition of product owner right from the Scrum guide. In a similar way, I can also ask what does the Scrum team comprise of? A little longer prompt, and then it gives you the answer of what does the Scrum team actually comprise of. So in a similar way, you can ask various questions regarding Scrum from the Scrum PDF. Let's walk through how this application was actually kind of built. Here is the Python project. It uses the PyPDF2 library to extract information from the Scrum guide, extract it in the form of text, and then store it in a JSON or any kind of a MySQL, Postgres database. Um, and also it kind of runs within the Flask environment or the Flask framework. So once I initialize the application, it'll go ahead and extract the information. The information is then stored locally. The Scrum guide is also present locally. We can also have capabilities where the Scrum guide could be on a, say, an Amazon S3 server or in some kind of a storage, and we can even fetch this API, sorry, fetch the PDF or any kind of a document via an API. But just for this kind of POC, I'm using the Scrum guide, which is stored locally. What will also happen here is now, if you see the user kind of enters the prompt where I enter the question of who is a product owner, the question then goes to the LLM. If you see here, there are three kind of LLMs that you can see. There is Claude, there is GPT, and there's Gemini. In terms of PDFs and I think even other documents, I have seen that GPT is kind of the most capable, at least till today. And the information that's sent is always sent via a HTTPS protocol. Once the information or the prompt is sent to the LLM then sends back instructions as to in what manner should the information then be presented or kind of retrieved from the extracted data that PyPDF actually removed from the Scrum guide. And that's how then the user gets the input. So this is the application in whole. We can kind of deep dive into this in our next video of how I've actually kind of structured the entire um, application. It's pretty simple. It's very straightforward. So yeah, thanks for watching.